I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a glider paper airplane full guide. Start with a single 8x11 sheet and place it portrait on a flat surface. Fold carefully to align edges. Use a ruler to crease firmly and keep folds sharp for stable flight. Gather optional weights like a paperclip and set aside tape for adjustments. Check lighting and enough space to test your glider safely indoors or outdoors. Begin by folding the paper in half lengthwise and reopen to reveal the center crease. This guides every subsequent fold. Fold both top corners to the center to form a sharp nose and press firmly for symmetry. Reinforce the nose with 2 additional small folds to reduce drag and maintain shape. Fold the wings down evenly, measuring about 3.5 inches from the nose for consistent dihedral and balanced glide performance. Perform short test flights from a gentle toss and observe glide path and behavior closely before major changes. If the glider stalls, add a small paper clip to the nose to shift the center of gravity forward and improve momentum. For rolls or turns, bend wing tips up or down by millimeters to correct direction. Small trims produce big changes. Repeat test flights after each adjustment and note the effect until you achieve a smooth, level glide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.